Okay, so should be no sound today, but as usual, some weird sounds coming in place. And all I can say is that, like, it was a different sound half an hour ago, and I was trying to ignore it. So then they send a different sound that they know will be mentally disturbing, like this particular one, which is actually making my body shake a bit. See, so that's how it works. Can you see the light in my eye there? I could just see it reflecting through the thing. Unfortunately, the mobile won't pick it up, but that's because there is. They see everything through my eyes, hear everything through. It's like you've got a transmitter inside of you. I didn't understand this a few years ago. I was trying to figure out what the connection was, but I transmit, they receive. I don't get anything from them. All I get is loud noise, negative sounds, negative, what they call negative frequency, vibration and energy, because everything's frequency, vibration, energy, including me. And of course they're making my positive frequency negative by negative sound. So stop now because I'm recording, because don't forget that's what makes it impossible to get on top of, because if it wasn't completely connected to my brain waves and my body and actually to me, the patrol program wouldn't be as completely annihilated that it is. That's why it's impossible to get on top of it. And at a higher level, even though never mind, I'll try again later, because I can't always record even, or download the videos, because I'm in a totally technically controlling environment. But I can't use technology very well at all, so I can't use it to override things much. And but this is just the suppression of real human beings at this end time, because that's what you discover, because the technical artificial ones are using advanced technology to control you, but they even low at a simple level, they're just using sight and sound programs around you. But because they're using it at an advanced, very microscopic level, because you're connected to them, they can use simple sight and sound to completely suppress you. That's it, and it's so easy to do. And because it's a city world now, it's a world city, it's a total artificial intelligent reality, even though most people don't fully I don't know, acknowledge it or even comprehend it. They know that it is, but not to the extent. That's the deception. That's the endgame deception against the remaining real humans, because you have to be controlled by it. I don't know why, but that's because it has to be that higher entities need your human energy, and that these beings are the sound coming from this part of the place, and there is also sound coming from the other part of the place. Can I just quickly show it if I've got the energy? See? Listen. See? So both ends of this place are being... See? 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 Both ends. Front door, back door. Covered by sound on what should be a non-working day even, you see? But it goes on and on. That's what it is. Okay, so there we have. See, if this was only once a month, it would be natural, but it's not. These sounds are every single day, everywhere you go. And now they've gone because recording.